Hi, I'm Jamuna here. Today, let's see some places of interest in Bali. Bali is a province of Indonesia and it is the most popular island holiday destination. It is known as well as exotic temples and palaces set against stunning natural backdrops. So, the first place of interest in Bali is Ubud, which perched among the terraced rice fields that climb up the foothills of Bali's central mountains. Ubud is considered the island's cultural heart and most important museums. There are dance and music performances every day throughout the city as well as numerous art galleries and craft shops to explore. Fortunately, it only takes a short walk or bicycle ride to escape from the crowds and commercialism. Ubud is surrounded by gently rolling rice paddies which create a beautiful impression of greenness. So the next place is Tanah Lot, which is situated on a large rock. Tanah Lot is one of the most famous Hindu temples in Bali. It has been a part of Balinese mythology for centuries. The temple is one of seven sea temples, each within eyesight of the next, to form a chain along the southwestern coast of Bali. Tanah Lot is one of most popular places to visit in Bali and the whole area can be very busy especially in the late afternoons and before sunset. The another place is Semenia, which located on the southwestern coast of Bali. Semenia is a small town that has been encompassed by the city of Kuta's expensive growth. Despite its proximity to Kuta, Semenia is one of the most island's most exclusive vacation destinations. From its high-end boutiques and five-star restaurants to its luxury hotels and spas. Besides, Pura Besake is also one of the places of interest in Bali, which is located on the slopes of Gunung Agung, Bali's highest mountain. Pura Besake is considered the most important of the Kayangan Jagat, the nine directional temples built to protect the island from evil. The temple was named after the dragon god that believers say lives within the depths of the mountain. The temple complex includes more than 28 structures built on 7 ascending terraces. Participating in an organized tour is the best way to view the site as the self-designed guides on site can be aggressively demanding. Therefore, Mount Batur is the another place of interest in Bali. While it's not the highest point on Bali, Mount Batur is situated on one of the island's most dramatic landscapes. Climbing to the top of Mount Batur to watch the sunrise is a popular activity. It's a relatively easy climb that anyone in reasonable shape can achieve in around 2 hours. Last but not least, Pura Luhur Uluwatu is also one of place of interest in Bali. The Bukit Peninsula located at the southern tip of Bali is home to the Pura Luhur Uluwatu, one of the 9 major Hindu temples on the island. Founded in the 11th century, the temple was built at the edge of a limestone cliff top jutting out over the sea. Although only Hindu priests are allowed into the innermost sanctuary, visitors are welcome to tour the grounds and enjoy the views with or without a guide. Statues of Ganesha flag the entrance to the temple complex and leave monkeys beg for treats from visitors. Dances are performed for visitors every evening at sunset. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching.